its captain.
Who is its captain?
The great Leonidas.
Don't we? That's okay. I came prepared. It's a funny world we live in. Speaking of which, you know how I got these scars? No. But
This is Sparta!
Just tell her when.
Morning, sweetheart.
Fuck you!
What are you doing,
Fat ass! You out by yourself? Little date night? Seen your favorite chick flick, maybe?
Yeah, a little movie called The Party's Over, starring you and your junkie girlfriend.
Let's move on to the next question. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Jenny. I'm a sophomore, and this is for all three of you. Can you say in one sentence or less what... you know what I mean. Can you say why America is the greatest country in the world?
Diversity and opportunity.
Lewis?
Freedom.
For instance, abortion's legal.
Keep it that way.